Wagwan, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I am making some fresh dinner rolls. In a container, I have 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour. To that, I am adding 2 tablespoons of brown sugar and half teaspoon of salt. I am also adding 2 teaspoons of yeast plus quarter teaspoon. That's 2.25 teaspoons of instant yeast. And now I am mixing everything with lukewarm water. The water should be lukewarm because if it is hot, then it will kill the yeast. So I am mixing the flour into a dough, and the dough should be soft. The dough is a little bit too sticky, so I am dusting the dough with a little bit of flour. I am adding 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil to the container that I need the dough into, and then I am returning the dough to the container and roll the dough into the oil, and this is to prevent the dough from drying. Then I am covering the dough with a piece of wax paper, and then I am gonna put into a hot place like in the oven or in the microwave to rise for 1 hour. So I'm gonna allow the dough to rise for an hour. Oil a cookie sheet. Now this is what the dough looks like after an hour. So punch down on the dough, and if the dough feels sticky at this point, if you will be following this recipe, do not dust the dough with flour. You don't want to do that because we're working with soft dough. So just knead for a minute or two and the dough will be perfectly fine. Pinch off pieces of dough and then shape each pieces of dough into balls, and then place the balls onto the oiled cookie sheet about 2 inches apart. I guess mine were a bit more than 2 inches apart, but that's okay. Then I return Well, I put the cookie sheet with the balls into a warm, humid place for about 20 minutes to allow the dough balls to double in sizes. About 20 minutes in the warm, humid place, and the dough balls double in sizes. Then I am now brushing them with one beaten egg. So I'm going to place into a preheated oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes into the oven, I removed my dinner rolls, and these are my freshly baked dinner rolls. The house smell nice, they are soft and fluffy. I should have added that after you brush the dough balls with the beaten eggs, if you want, you can sprinkle on some grated cheese or sunflower seed or sesame seeds, and then put them into the oven for 10 minutes. I will be doing another recipe where I use the sesame seeds, so stay tuned for that. So my freshly baked dinner rolls are soft, as I mentioned before, real fluffy and better than the ones sold in the supermarkets. Yeah man, and they all smell nice. Yes, I enjoy baking my own dinner rolls. Yeah man, freshly baked. So thanks for watching.